Welcome back. Now, a prefrontal trough affected weather conditions across the Jamaica area. Earlier this afternoon, we did have some showers and some isolated thunderstorms across sections of northern and southeastern parishes. We're also seeing isolated showers dotted across sections of south central parishes. Now, the frontal system moving through the area is expected to pass across the Jamaica area tonight into tomorrow morning. Continued clouds, cooler conditions are also expected as the frontal system makes its way further eastward. Across the eastern Caribbean, we're seeing stable conditions. We do have high pressure still dominating across eastern sections of the Caribbean. Now, the forecast for tonight has partly cloudy skies with some lingering showers mainly across sections of the northeast. We expect temperatures to drop to 23 degrees Celsius in Kingston tonight and to 21 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, the winds are out of the north-northeast on the south coast and out of the north on the north coast. Speeds are averaging about 10 knots. Tomorrow morning, we can see more of those showers, especially across sections of the northeast. For the afternoon, showers continue mainly across northern and southwestern sections of the island. High temperature in Montego Bay gets to 28 degrees Celsius. We expect temperatures to reach 30 degrees Celsius in Kingston. Now, partly cloudy conditions persist for most of the southeast tomorrow. We do have strong winds as well. Showers are likely in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. We're also expecting partly cloudy conditions with isolated showers in the afternoon in Lucy and in Montego Bay. Increased clouds with isolated showers are expected across sections of the north in St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, Port Maria, also in Port Antonio, and we're also expecting showers and a few possible thunderstorms across inland areas of eastern parishes, that's Richmond and Moortown. Now, on Wednesday, we do have more of those showers continuing to affect the island. Strong winds are also likely. On Thursday, much of the activity is likely to be across sections of western parishes, and there are also isolated showers lingering across inland areas for the afternoon on Friday. Now, the smallcraft warning is in effect for inshore areas of the north coast tonight and tomorrow. We're expecting the winds to be between 20 and 25 knots from the northeast, while the wave heights are between 2 and 2.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, the winds are easterly at 10 to 15 knots with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then for offshore areas, the winds are expected to reach 25 knots, but we could be seeing winds as low as 15 knots. So the winds are between 15 and 25 knots. We're keeping a smallcraft warning in effect, especially for offshore areas of the north coast, and wave heights are getting up to 2.5 meters. On Wednesday, wind speeds are between 15 and 20 knots from the east. Wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters, and this is likely to carry through into the weekend. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow is 11 past 6, 14 past 6 in Mandeville, 17 past 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Well, we thank you so much for watching.